See this?
Hey,
this is
come
like...
Come right here. Come back.
This is flooded.
Waterfall. Come back right here and show. Show how deep this thing is.
Back or you'll fall.
Why are you like...
Move your feet back and forth.
See?
Yeah.
Yo, better make this famous.
Go this way. Right, guys, go this way.
I bet that would have 100,000 likes probably.
How many likes do you think, Ryan?
Like 100,000.
100,000? Yeah, you guys better get up at 100,000. This is like flooded.
Go that way.
Why?
Waterfall, right? Remember that mini one?
Oh yeah, I forgot. There's a waterfall down there.
Yeah, what mini one, Ryan?
I'm gonna kill you.
Ryan, that's completely
Okay, let's go. I guess we can go.
I'm leaving. I'm
Ryan,
leaving
not
him.
no mini no more.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're gonna leave, guys. So gosh. He doesn't know.
it comes down. What the crap are you doing?
Dude, just run. Dude, it's huge. Dang.
Run!
Hey, you guys! Hey, don't do that.
Hayden! It's a post.
Get in it.
It's gonna break it. I'm not the
No,
cat.
Ryan, that waterfall was not no water.
Hey, you guys want to go to Kaylin's?
Down the road?
Yeah. Oh, come on.
Hey, Ryan, run through the car. We're going to walk down the road.
You said sure?
Hey, Ryan, go tell Mom we're going to walk down the road. Okay?
Yeah, you're faster than all of us.
And I just ran. And Max can't run.
I can run. Yeah. Oh, yeah, true. I can't run. My knee.
Yeah,
Oh, my God. I can feel the vibration in my shoes.
I'm really having growing pains today.
you're not.
What growing pains? You're still the same size as you were last year.
Shut up, okay? I've only grown 1 inch every day. I mean, 1 inch every year.
I thought you meant 1 like centimeter.
Oh yeah, actually it's in a mirror every year.
Wait, guys, come in. We should roll all these stuff and go.
Dude, my shoes are freaking vibrating from the water.
Find some worms, eh?
Guys, look, all this comes down right here and all comes down like this.
Oh, dude, that's a branch.
Yeah, that's what I said. A long time.
That is a
Are you
branch.
still recording?
Yes. And it's going on like 3 minutes.
Tell
Not
them,
hit this car.
say on it, this is in Raymore.
They know it's in Raymore. Now. They know it's now. Okay, this should have a cover.
Guys, look.
Yeah,
Holy crap.
flooded.
Legit tunnel.
Yeah, do you remember when they say flash flood warning and it's just barely sprinkling?
Well, yeah, now I know. This goes on like for this. Ryan, get out of the road.
Okay. Whoa.
For one, this, for one, hey.
Oh, come on.
You should have a cover with the whole entire city flooded over.
That would be awesome.
But it's only this much.
What you need to do when it floods like this again, you need to put buoys on the side of your cars. So if it does flood all the time, you put propellers on the back to lower it.
I was supposed to go to her house, but I totally forgot.
What?
I was supposed to go to her house this morning.
You do something. Ryan, get out of the road.
Really? Because it's like 4.
Running over.
I think it's the rain, but it also might be my socks. Holy crap, don't step there. And dog poop. Oh my God. You know she lives right here, right? You want to see the mark your brother made? Ryan, think your mark's still here. Maybe. No, it's gone. Well, kind of. It was kind of like, you kind of see it.
No, you can't. Oh, actually, it is. I can see it right here.
Yeah.
Kind of dark and you can't. But yeah, Mark was freaking long.
I don't think it's the rain in my shoes. I think it's my socks. Okay. How many likes, Ryan?
10,000.
10,000 likes for this video.
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Positive?
Hopefully.
Final answer?
Yes.
Okay, guys, 10,000 likes.